Hi, I'm Derek Herb with Evolution Wheel, and today we're going to talk about tread pattern on your AWP tires and how that relates to longevity on your machine, as well as comfort for your operators. This is the tread pattern for our AWP series tire. Basically, this was designed for anti-vibration, which is important in these machines because all the pins and bushings and joints are going to prematurely wear over time if they have shake in them. And the operator being at a distance away from the tire, anything that's small going on here in terms of vibration really gets carried all the way through and amplified in the machine as the operator's in the basket. So what we did specifically with this tread pattern was we made it symmetrical so that one half was the same as the other half. That way you're not getting any kind of left and right movement in the tire as it's rolling. The other thing we did is as you cut slices across the face of the tread of this tire, it's a perfect rolling circle and there's always tread in contact with the ground so that it's not chattering as it's driving. Again, two things you're trying to avoid here with vibration is left and rights and ups and downs. So that's what you need to think about when you're selecting a tread pattern for an AWP tire. I'm Derek Herb with Evolution Wheel. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help.